Today is my first time here in Black Rock. Got off a meat pie. So, fresh. So anyway, let's do a bit of a scenic and go from there. So good. The highlight of this morning so far. I've been trawling for about 5 minutes trying to find somewhere to go. Stop and drop a line in. Anyway, we'll see how we go. Okay, this is my first cast. So happy to see of the rock or whatever it was in. Cast my line in. Let's see if we get anything. Ooh. It's a light rod, so I've got massive hooks. Alright. Time to move on. Maybe I might just drop this down. It's looking super promising right now. There's things so much underneath me. I think I've got the biggest rock. It's huge. I realised why that, because I've been getting lots and lots of snags. See? Black rock. Skills over there. These big waves coming towards me, and I've got a fish on. Another undersized. Another undersized pinky. Pinky? I think it is, but anyway, it is what it is. I was going to be moving around. This is probably the best fish. Measure it to save. No. It's a fish. Okay, maybe this is the best fish for today. I think. Have a measure. Just legal, but and there's a seal behind me, so hopefully he doesn't, or else it'll be pretty hard to catch him.